If you want to record phone calls on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then the first thing that you can do is you can check if you have a built-in option that allows you to record phone calls. Usually you can find it during a call by going to More, for example, but in my case, unfortunately, it is not available. So if you don't have it available as well, then what you can do is you can download a third-party app that allows you to record phone calls. So in my case, I'm gonna go to the Play Store and then we can just search for call recorder or something similar. There we go. Now over here we can find many different apps that, at least in theory, should allow you to record phone calls. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here, Cube ACR. I've been using this app before and I think this is one of the best ones that we can currently use. But feel free to try anything else in case this one doesn't work for you or if you just don't like it. So we're gonna open the app, we're gonna go next over here. We need to grant all of these necessary permissions. There we go. Then we're gonna disable power optimization, so I'm gonna press on OK and then tap on allow over here. Then we have the option to enable or disagree to use call location tagging, so I'm gonna tap on no thanks and then press OK. Got it. Now over here we have the premium offer, which we don't have to, of course, pay for. It's just an offer, so we can close it here in the upper left corner. There we go. And then we have the option to install a helper, which is an additional app that is used to help the main app run properly. So I'm gonna tap on install helper. I'm gonna be redirected to this website where we can download the helper app, and I'm gonna use download helper APK option. We're gonna download the app. Of course, your phone might inform you that you're trying to install a dangerous app or something, but this is because we are downloading or trying to download an app that is not from the Play Store. So once we have the app, we're gonna, of course, try to install it, and we need to allow our browser to install apps from unknown sources. So we're gonna tap on settings over here and then allow from this source. And then we're gonna install the app. There we go. Once it is installed, we want to open it. We need to set it up as well. So just go next over here, grant permissions again. There we go. And then we need to tap on go to accessibility. Over here you will find Cube ACR app connector, which is grayed out, but you want to tap on it anyway to see this message. It is necessary to see this message, and then we're gonna close it. Now let's go back and choose go to apps here at the bottom, and we need to find the Cube ACR helper. There we go. Next we want to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and choose allow restricted settings and verify yourself. Then we're gonna go back. Now, once again, I choose to go to accessibility. This time we can go to Cube ACR app connector and you want to enable this option over here and press allow. Now over here for better call recording, we can make some additional options or additional things. So we're gonna tap on OK, continue over here. And we have the option to enable wireless debugging in developer options, which might be a little bit tricky to turn on at first, but it is actually very simple. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open settings over here. There we go, we have developer options immediately there, but in case you don't have developer options activated, let's see if we can go there. Yeah, we need to enable developer options first. So we're gonna open the settings by ourselves. Then we need to scroll down and go to about phone. Then over here, we're gonna choose device identifiers and you want to keep tapping on the build number. Then enter your screen lock password and then you will see this message that you are now a developer. Then we're gonna go back, open the system and choose developer options. Alright, so now once we are here, we need to find wireless debugging, which should be over here in the debugging section. So we need to turn it on and tap on allow. Afterwards, we're gonna go back to the app. Over here, we have the option to pair with pairing code. So let's reopen settings. Actually, let's go back over here, go to wireless debugging. And then here we should be able to find pair device with pairing code. So here we have this code over here and we have ADB pairing. We're gonna tap on pair. And we need to enter this code that is displaying right now. So let's enter it. There we go. Now we have to disable power optimization for the helper. So we're going to press OK and then choose allow. All right, so now the helper is set up and the main app should be set up as well. Now we can also tap on these three lines to see if the recording is enabled. You can also check out settings for recording, for example, to find some additional settings that you might want to check out. Now we should be able to make a call and the app should start recording the call immediately. So it is supposed to start recording automatically. So if you go to notifications Then over here, you might be able to find the Cube ACR helper and the main app over here running in the background, which is of course good. You want to make sure that it is running, so it means that the phone call is being recorded right now. Now we have enabled wireless debugging, and it is supposed to record calls easily without any issues whatsoever. But in case you play the recording back, and if you cannot really hear the caller, and then from that point onwards, it would be recommended to use the loudspeaker. I assume that it won't be necessary, but in case it is, then of course this is why I'm saying this. You can just simply use the loudspeaker to make sure that the caller can be heard on your recording. And once we are done, you can find your recording inside the Cube ACR app, so you should be able to play it quite easily. We also have these 3 dots where we can find some additional options. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.